Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to see your liked posts on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button down below. And once you've done that, please leave a like down below and let's get started. I will guide you on the way how to see the liked posts on Instagram. Now the first thing you need to do is go to your Instagram account and go to your profile. Click on the three lines in the upper right corner and go to your activity. And in this page, you can see a lot of options, but you would click on interactions. Click on likes. And in this page, you can see all the posts that you've liked. This is all forms of post. It can be the photo or the video posts you liked on your account. I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated for more tutorials.